Struggling to make the most of your small kitchen space? You're not alone. Kitchens are often one of the most challenging areas to keep organized, especially when space is tight. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to share 10 must-have storage solutions that can help you maximize every inch of your small kitchen. These ideas are not only clever, but also incredibly practical. And the best part? They're perfect for anyone looking to make their kitchen more efficient without a full renovation. So stick around, because some of these tips might just transform the way you use your kitchen. Solution 1. Stackable food storage containers. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to save space in a small kitchen is by using stackable food storage containers. These containers come with airtight lids that not only keep your pantry items fresh, but also allow you to neatly stack them on top of each other. By organizing your dry goods like pasta, rice, and cereal in clear, uniform containers, you'll instantly free up more shelf space. Plus, it makes finding ingredients so much easier, saving you time and reducing clutter. Solution 2. Compact utensil organizer. A cluttered utensil drawer can quickly become a headache in a small kitchen. That's where a compact utensil organizer comes in handy. It's designed to make the most out of limited drawer space by offering separate sections for knives, forks, spoons, and other utensils. Instead of tossing everything into one messy drawer, this organizer helps you keep things neat and easily accessible. Plus, it frees up room for other kitchen essentials by keeping everything in its place. Solution 3. Slim rolling storage cart. Small kitchens often have unused narrow spaces between appliances or cabinets. A slim rolling storage cart is the perfect solution to utilize these spaces. It's designed to fit in tight gaps, making it ideal for storing items like cooking oils, spices, or even canned goods. The wheels make it easy to slide in and out, so you can access everything with minimal effort. Plus, it keeps your countertops clutter-free by providing additional storage without taking up much space. Solution 4. Under sink organizer. The area under the sink is often one of the most neglected spaces in the kitchen, but it has a lot of potential. With an under-sink organizer, you can easily transform that area into a tidy storage spot for your cleaning supplies. These organizers usually have adjustable shelves or pull-out drawers, so you can maximize vertical space and keep everything within reach. No more digging through piles of bottles or scrubbing pads. It's a simple yet effective way to stay organized and make the most of every inch of your kitchen. Solution 5. Space-saving magnetic spice racks. Spices can easily take over valuable cabinet space in a small kitchen. One clever solution is to use magnetic spice racks that attach to the side of your fridge. These racks keep your spices within arm's reach while freeing up your cabinets for other items. Plus, they're customizable, so you can add as many or as few as you need. With your spices neatly displayed, cooking becomes easier, and your kitchen stays organized without any extra clutter. Solution 6. Pull-out pantry for small items. A pull-out pantry is a lifesaver in small kitchens where traditional pantry space is limited. These slim, vertical cabinets can store a surprising amount of canned goods, spices, and dry ingredients. The pull-out design allows you to easily see and access everything, so you won't have to dig through shelves to find what you need. It's a great way to store more in less space while keeping your kitchen functional and tidy. Solution 7. Foldable dining tables. In a small kitchen, counter space is always at a premium. Foldable dining tables that double as extra counter space offer a practical solution. When not in use, they fold up neatly against the wall or can be stored away, giving you more room to move around. When you need extra prep space or seating, just unfold the table, and it's ready to go. This dual-purpose furniture is perfect for small kitchens, adding both functionality and flexibility. Solution 8. Drawer dividers. Keeping kitchen drawers organized can be a real challenge, especially in a small space. Drawer dividers are an affordable and simple way to solve this problem. They allow you to neatly separate utensils, tools, and other small items, making everything easy to find. Instead of rummaging through a jumbled mess, you'll have a designated spot for every item, helping you keep your kitchen tidy and efficient. Solution 9. Wall-mounted shelves for storing pots and pans. In small kitchens, cabinet space is often limited, especially for bulky items like pots and pans. Wall-mounted shelves provide a stylish and functional solution. By installing these shelves, you can free up cabinet space while keeping your cookware within easy reach. Plus, hanging pots and pans on the wall can add a rustic, cozy touch to your kitchen decor. It's a practical way to make the most of unused vertical space. Solution 10. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Counter space is a hot commodity in small kitchens, and a dish drying rack can easily take up a lot of it. An over-the-sink dish drying rack is a game changer. It sits right above your sink, allowing water to drip directly into the basin, keeping your counters clean and clear. Not only does it save space, but it also makes washing and drying dishes more efficient. It's a smart, space-saving solution that helps you make the most of every inch of your kitchen. So there you have it. 10 must-have storage solutions for small kitchens. By incorporating these space-saving ideas, you can create a more organized and efficient cooking environment. Remember, a well-organized kitchen not only enhances your cooking experience, but also makes your space feel larger and more inviting. Which of these solutions are you excited to try in your kitchen? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your small space. Happy organizing!